Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Dollar General Christmas visuals and UPC codes part 1. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, so jumping right in, first up, I just want to kind of give you guys a quick little overview of what I'm thinking. So basically right now at Dollar General, we have a huge category of items that are clearancing out, and that is all of our Christmas items. So basically what I wanted to do was kind of put together a part 1 and a part 2. We may have to have a part 3, but I don't think so at this point. But I do have a ton of pictures and UPC codes that I want to share with you all. So my hope for these videos is that I put a lot of time into going to the store, taking pictures, and then coming back home and putting all of these slides together for you all. So I'm really hoping that you guys will come back and reference these videos as these prices continue to drop, because these will eventually penny out. And the more that you guys look and see the pictures and kind of get familiar with all of the items, the easier it's going to be for you guys to go penny shopping and be successful with your penny shopping hauls. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into our first category in this video, and right now we're going to go over the Christmas seasonal category. Now this is a huge, and I do mean huge, category, and to be honest with you guys, there is absolutely no way in the world that I would have enough time to go through the stores and take pictures of every single item and have all the UPC codes for you all. But I did try my best, and I did get a lot of pictures and a lot of the UPC codes up ready for you guys to go in these slides. But keep in mind that I will be adding on to this in future videos as well. Now, with our Christmas seasonal category, we do have some exclusions that we need to talk about, because I've seen several of you guys in the comment section saying that your Christmas items are still ringing up full price. And unfortunately, that might mean that the items that you picked up were actually excluded from the clearance markdowns. So we're going to go over this list, and then I have some pictures that I want to share with y'all. So these items in general are going to be excluded and still ring up full price. And in fact, you may not even see them at your store any longer, because the employees may have packed them up and shipped them back to the warehouse. So we have gift wrap, lights, trees, tree ribbon and bows, foldable boxes, gift ribbon and tags, Christmas cards, and outdoor decor. Alright, now I've put together a few pictures for you all so that you can kind of see which items I'm talking about and what is excluded. So first up, we have lights, and that can include the little home decor items that have lights in them. We also have those little solar stake lights. Those are still ringing up full price. Next up, we have decorative ribbon, aka tree ribbon, whatever you want to call it. A lot of that is excluded. Then we have the foldable gift boxes. Now keep in mind that these are the foldable gift boxes that are still ringing up full price. Later on in the video, you're going to see some gift boxes that are included in our Christmas clearance markdowns. Then we have the gift ribbon. All of those are excluded and ringing up full price. We also have the gift tags that are ringing up full price. And then we have the outdoor decor. So that does include the outdoor lights and the inflatables. And last but not least, we have our gift wrap that is ringing up full price. Alright, now let's talk about what is exactly included in our Christmas seasonal markdowns. So I have checked all the UPC codes that are in this video, and all of these are included. So you guys want to be on the lookout for these red and white holiday style hang tags or the red square tags. Alright, so first up, we have some little LED tea lights, as well as some regular Christmas tea lights that are included in our Christmas seasonal category. And we also have a ton of candles that are included in the Christmas seasonal markdowns. Now, keep in mind that we kind of have 2 air care categories going on. These candles, if you lift them up on the bottom, you're going to see a price tag, and it will have the little red square around it. All right, so that's going to tell you that that is a part of the Christmas seasonal markdowns. Now, we also have some more candles and air fresheners that we're going to go over with our Christmas air care category. Now, I'm going to include that category in part 2, because I actually found a few more items at the store yesterday that I need to add on to that list for you all. So, again, just make sure that y'all stay tuned and be on the lookout for part 2 of our Christmas visuals videos. Alright guys, now I am sure y'all don't want me sticking around and talking about every single item that you're going to see in this video because like I said, our Christmas seasonal category is absolutely huge and we have tons and tons and tons of items. So here in just a second, I'm going to turn on a little background music and then I'll pop back in whenever I need to share some additional information. But keep in mind as y'all go through these pictures that you're going to see everything from Christmas ornaments to tabletop decor to signs. We have pillows, rugs. We even have some things for our kitchen like mugs, plates, and bowls. So like I said before, there is a lot included in this category. Alright guys, now hopefully y'all are enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. But I just wanted to pop in for a quick second and point out that we do have some gift boxes that are included in our Christmas seasonal markdowns. So here are the ones that I was talking about at the beginning of the video. So here we have some little jewelry gift boxes. Again, these do not fold up. Now, these are a little bit hard to get good pictures of, but coming up here in just a second, I believe this will show you all what exactly I'm talking about. And there are an absolute ton of these gift boxes that do not fold down like your traditional gift boxes. Now, also at the beginning of the video, we talked about some ribbons and bows that were excluded from our clearance markdowns. However, we do have these single bows that are priced at $1 each. Those are actually included in our Christmas seasonal category. Alright guys, so now we're about to move on into our second category for this video, and this is another pretty big category. We have our Christmas home decor items. And for these items, you're going to want to be on the lookout for these forest green price tags. Now, these items can be found at your NCI or home stores. So if your store has one of these little 3-tiered tables, I'm sure that you saw all of the gold and white and dark green home decor items with those price tags on them over the last several months. Now, here's an item that I am definitely on the search for. DG put out a really pretty white kind of home decor piece, but it's also like a DIY advent calendar. It was normally $26. When those dropped to 50% off, I went to that store to see if it was still there, and somebody had already snagged it up. However, I am still definitely on the hunt because really and truly, you just never know what you're going to find until you get out there and start looking. Now, I am really curious and I would love to know what you all are in search of during this clearance season. Are you looking for just Christmas items to put back for next year, like ornaments and gift wrap, or are you in search of a good deal on a particular item? Let me know down in the comment section below. Alright, so we are almost to the end of this video. I believe I'm going to cut it off around the 10-minute mark because I know a lot of people don't like watching very long videos. So I'm going to cut it off around the 10-minute mark. But you guys make sure that y'all stay tuned and come back to watch part 2. So make sure that you have those notifications turned on because we still have a lot, and I do mean a lot of categories to cover. We still have pets, stationery, candy, apparel, air care, and I'm sure I'm leaving out a few there somewhere. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out whenever I upload any videos. Also, like I said, these videos do take a lot of time to put together, so on your way out, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.